yan. Pigilan niya hangin yan. Yeah. Up. Up, 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 up. Wear your life jackets. Take your seats. Okay. Okay na ba? Okay. Next three.
Yan, okay na. Saan mo na face mask? Sino yan? Tighten niyo.
Che, ayan. Pogi. Pogi. Isipon ko guys, tumalala. Kaya rin ito siguro ano lang, shake pack. Charot.
Ano na? Ano nang gagawin natin?
Perfect. Lifeline.
Lifeline na. Lifeline na.
Okay or are you okay? Number 2. Ito, ganun. Ano yun?
Number 2?
Advance.
Advance.
Number 3.
Take. Back.
Back off. Back out.
Oo nga, take.
Number 4.
Back.
Help. Boblax ka talaga. Taray. Vlog.
Yes.
Portable.
Ayaw nga. Portable. Ayun o.
Pag yung mga materials na may abo, that is just normal or yung mga common na nasunog, dry chemical. Yes. Tapos pagka may liquid na nasusunog, like such as gas, gasoline, is foam, hindi siya sinispray. Galing.
Mo naman kami rito, puro kami na lang. Kami naman, teammates. Pupugaw. Tama ka ba?
Morning session done. I'm so tired na.
Hi guys!
Sino ubo to? Guard! Ano to training na to?
PST.
PST training.
Vlog takeover. Vlog takeover.
PST training.
Hagdan. Hagdan. Harap ka dito.
Tagatabis eh.
Saan ba si Idol?
Yoko. Kasi, mapagod. Today, we are down to 3 activities. Yes. Are you ready?
I am born ready. Nabitaw.
Bring it on. Bro. Bro. Bro.
Pigilan niya kami yan. Up, 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 up. Wear your life jackets. Take your seats. Okay. Okay na ba? Doon, doon yung seat. Okay na? Wala kang po. Ako yung lumulutang ah. Nakatinga na lang eh. Ako yung paano eh. I'll go up. Up, up. Pero panigo. Tumuta ka ulit.
Fresh! Fresh sinakcha!
Magaling, magaling.
Dulo.
Sige, congratulations.
Winner title. Tapos na.
Ulit ang PSD.
All the hardships are
Sado,
will be grand. Yes. Thank you so much. We did our best and we did well naman. Pero lang sa akin, sa kanya. Maganda ba yung ginawa mo?
Oo, ang ganda.
We.
Silipin te. Ang galing.
Perfect.
Perfect eh.
Always perfect. Charot. Di natin papasok yung ano ha,
Wala mapapasok.
ng basa. Pati shoes, even the shoes.